Hello, curious learners. Welcome to Aadharshila Coding Classes. Today, in this video, we will explore Python data types to understand how our code interacts with different type of information. Let's dive in. In Python, every value has a data type, which determine how the computer interprets and handle that value. Integers are whole numbers, positive or negative, with no decimal points. For example, age 25. To define integer variable, age with the value 25. Floats are the numbers with decimal points. Let's see an example. To create a float variable temperature with the value 23.5. Strings are sequence of characters enclosed in single or double quotes. Here is an example. To assign the string John to the variable name. Similarly, booleans represent true or false values. To set the boolean variable is sunny to true, we have taken this example. In case you want to know what are the data types of these variables we have taken, you can write print name of the variable, comma, type, and then write the name of the variable again. This will help you in understanding what type of data we are having right now. Here's the result comes. 25 is an integer, 23.5 is a float, John is a string, and 2 is a boolean. And there you have it. We have covered some fundamental types of data in Python. There are a few more which we will be discussing in the next video. Do like, share, and subscribe to Aadharshila Coding Classes.